would you say to parents who are still hesitant to vaccinate their children or encourage their children to mask as we move forward into this school year?
I think a year ago, we referred to the COVID-19 as a pandemic. I've started to rephrase that for my patients and families and started calling the COVID-19 now a vaccine preventable disease. And to me, that's very powerful because we've seen the impact that vaccinations have had in preventing so many long-term problems from measles and the polio and things like that. So I've started to hopefully talk with my patients and their parents about that to say we have a tool, let's use it. In terms of masking, the example I like to use is of a wound or a cut. When we get a cut or a wound, we try to cover that up with a Band-Aid or a dressing. And we do that for two reasons. We want to keep it clean so that it heals quickly, but it also prevents us from picking at that wound or that cut. And that allows the wound to heal faster. And that's the way I look at masks. So masks protect us, but also allows transmission to be interrupted to the point that this will all be behind us, hopefully sooner than we can imagine it to be. So, I want to try to hopefully, encourage people to think about both vaccinations and masks in a little bit of a different manner. And then, as you rightfully pointed out, we've seen a lot of severe illness in kids, particularly with the multi-system inflammatory syndrome of children, where unfortunately I've personally taken care of children that have been on a heart-lung machine or on dialysis. And it's heartbreaking to see that and to know that we could have prevented that. So I would encourage folks to reconsider, have another discussion with your healthcare provider or a trusted individual who has a trusted knowledge base to discuss this with you.